welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a teen boy bedroom makeover with you. And I can't believe I just said that. Cannot believe it, but yes, my oldest son Aiden will be a teenager in just a couple short weeks, and I am not okay at all. But that's an issue for another day. You guys are here to see the room makeover, so that's what we're going to focus on today. Aiden had 3 requests for his new room: the color orange, a bookshelf, and a chair of some kind to sit and lounge in. So I did honor those requests and I included those in the design plan, and I tried to design the room in a way that would suit his style. I do have to say thank you to all of the brand partners that made this room makeover possible. I partnered with Tuft & Needle, BEHR Paint, Mohawk Home, and Lights.com. They all contributed products for this space. I would not have been able to do it without them. So I'll share more information about them throughout the video, and I'll also link to them in the description box below. If you have any questions for me, please leave those in the comment section. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell. All right, let's get into it. If you've seen any of my other room makeover videos, then you know the first thing I like to do when I'm designing a space is create a mood board in Photoshop, and this just gives me a chance to get an idea of the look and feel that I'm going for in the space and source products and see if they look okay together. The first thing I needed to do was prep the room for paint. I picked up a roll of plastic carpet guard at Home Depot, and this stuff is a lifesaver. It adheres lightly to the carpet so it doesn't bunch up or slide around like a regular plastic drop cloth would, and then I used a regular drop cloth for the middle of the room, and I just used this around the perimeter of the room. Also, by the way, one of my SD cards definitely just snapped in half, so I lost the footage of me actually painting the room, which is such a bummer because I had to climb up on a really tall ladder and perch myself on top of the closet since there's a ledge up there between the top of the closet and the ceiling, and it was quite a spectacle, so you'll just have to use your imagination. Okay, I am going to put together Aiden's desk. The other pieces are out here. I just ordered him a very cheap desk for now because I don't have time to build one. Eventually I will, but I just have too much on my plate right now and he needs one, and it's going to double as his bedside table, so let's put it together. This desk actually came from Walmart of all places. I rarely shop there, but I was scouring the internet for desks and I found this to be the best deal, and it's actually really good quality for the price. You guys, sometimes when I buy this kind of furniture, it's just like it would be easier if I just built it from scratch. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through this, so like I'll wrap it up and fast forward. Right. Oh gosh, these are really heavy. Next, it was time to put together the floor lamp. Lights.com sent me this floor lamp and I am in love with it. It really adds just a nice modern touch to the room, plus it's dimmable, which is great. It's called the Castell 2 Globe Floor Lamp, and it's in aged brass, and it also comes in matte black. And by the way, you can get 15% off your order at Lights.com if you use the code Erin15 at checkout through the end of May. So I will add that information to the description box below for you too. Big thank you to BEHR Paint for sending me the paint for this room. I used BEHR Ultra Scuff Defense paint in an eggshell finish in the color Polar Bear for the walls, and then I used the same type of paint in a satin finish in the color White 52 for the trim and doors. Okay, so I am currently putting together Aiden's new bed. I have the headboard put together, so now I need to attach all of these pieces. And you guys, the headboard is going to look so cute with the IKEA hack dresser. Still chaos out in the hallway, but I am making progress in Aiden's room. And look how cute his bed is. I'm not done putting it together yet, and it's hard to tell in this lighting, but this color gray is almost the exact same shade as his dresser, and I didn't even realize that when I ordered it. Shout out to Tuft & Needle for providing the best mattress ever. They were kind enough to send us their Tuft & Needle Mint mattress with antimicrobial protection, and it is so comfortable. And as I mentioned earlier, one of Aiden's requests for his room was to incorporate his favorite color, which is orange. So I decided to bring a pop of orange in with this bedding that I got from Target. Super affordable, and I like that it's thin since living in Georgia it rarely gets too cold, but I did get him a nice fluffy blanket in case he ever does need an extra layer of warmth. I had these little antlers that I picked up at a thrift store several years ago, and then I picked up this cute little cactus at the grocery store. I do have a video for this IKEA hack dresser if you missed it, so I will link to it for you. And I created this cozy little reading nook in the corner with a leather butterfly chair and his new lamp. I thought it would be nice for him to have some photos of his dad here at the house, so I found some cute ones of them together as well as some with his brothers and clipped them onto this cute photo display I got at Target. I added a few finishing touches and then it was time for the reveal.
Whoa, that's cool. It's not in my room, but it's cool. I like this.
You like it? All three boys really loved the room, but Aiden seems happy with it, and so that means all of my work was definitely worth it. Mohawk Home provided the rug for the room, and I absolutely love it. It is the Mohawk Home Sahana Transitional Ornamental Area Rug in gray. It's sort of a grayish or grayish beige, and it's the perfect neutral shade. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and you can connect with me online at erinspain.com and on social media at erinspainblog. In the meantime, while you're here, please check out some of my other videos. Thanks, guys. And now for the outtakes. Design plan for him. So I tried. All right, I'm gonna put you down so I can, well, maybe. So I can prop you here. What? Wait, what? Is this? No. Oh my God. I'm so confused. Oh, shit. Oops. No. Oh, we're not here to talk about my issues with coming to terms with being a mother of a teenager. I almost said teen mom, but that doesn't sound right either. Okay, let's just start over. Today I'm going to be sharing a teen boy bedroom makeover with